Alrighty, so another quick prototype video. You know, it's way past leaf raking season, but when I designed this chipper years ago, I've always wanted to put a leaf sucker on it. That's kind of how I designed it. And it might be useful, it might be not. But what we have here is no infeed chute, just a capping plate with a 6-inch hose. And here we have a big leaf bag attached onto it. And mind you, this is a very rough prototype, but we're gonna light it up, see how it works. And maybe in the future, we might optimize it into an actual product that could be added onto any 4090 wood chipper. So there's some work we do inside on the rotor, and then just this external stuff here. But it's just a leaf sucker for people that have a ton of leaves that want it mulched up and put in a bag or blown into a trailer with a bag in the trailer, either or. So anyways, I'm freezing. Let's see how this works, and if it works pretty good, we'll optimize it and maybe make it a product. Let us know your thoughts. All right, so that's our pile. It works not bad. If we optimize it, it could work actually really good. Let's see what these leaves look like here. All of our leaves are now somewhat chewed up. You can see they're all smaller bits and whatnot. And we could also optimize the rotor to a suck harder, but maybe mulch a little further too. But overall, there's probably about a 50% compaction of what it used to be. And these are pretty dry leaves too, so if they're a little wetter, it would mush it to get a little bit more. So overall, it could be a pretty good option. We have to optimize it, but we're not sure if it's viable or not. So if you have a chipper and you think this would be something you could use, or if you're a rental company, you're like, hey, maybe we could rent that, you know, off season, on season, let us know and maybe we'll keep developing it. Have a good one.